Hello everybody, and welcome back to Casual Aquatics. This is my 60-second aquarium. I literally took odd materials that I had laying around from other tank builds and just threw it together. I wanted to get this tank back up and going. This is my how to fix a broken tank, and it still holds water, so there's that. But just that simple, throwing some stuff in there, that looks pretty good, I think, you know? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Anyhow, this tank ain't staying like this. I'm going to try my hand at building a paludarium. I probably murdered that word, but I'm going to try building that in this tank, so stay tuned for that build. But I wanted to show you what you could do in literally 60 seconds, a 60-second tank build in no time, and put a good looking tank together. Thanks for watching and stay casual.